Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show how you can see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. First, open your phone settings. Open Wi-Fi. You will see a connected Wi-Fi. Click on the eye icon. It will show some more details. You will find the QR code option of Share. Click on it. It will show you the QR code. Take a screenshot by pressing your power button and volume button at the same time. After taking the screenshot, open Google. Search for QR code scanner. Open the first website you see. Scroll down. You will find an option to drag and drop. Click on it. It will show options to select an image. Select photos and videos. Choose the QR code image. Scroll down. Scan it. It will show your Wi-Fi password. That's how you can see your Wi-Fi password on Android phone in just a few steps. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.